Hello everybody, welcome to iPhone Tube. Today I'm going to show you how to do uncover jailbreak without computer for all device running iOS 11 until iOS 13.5. Here it is Cydia is not working and the crash, that means I don't have jailbreak. If you also I don't have uncover application on my phone. I will show you now how to get this uncover application. We will go to this website. I will leave it right down in description, and then we will go the whole way down to see uncover. Here there's so many version of uncover, 5.2.1 and 5.3.1, even old version as well, 3.6 and 3.8 available. All these version it is signed and available on this website. Today we will use the latest one, 5.3.1. Just press it and it will ask you for installation. I will just use my data because the Wi-Fi is slow. I will press it again, install, and we will go here and we will find the installation start. Right now this certificate is working and sign sign that it is not revoked. Maybe later when somebody come later and he is not able to do install for this application because the application is revoked, maybe the Apple revoked the certificate. That's mean I'm not lying, it is working right now. I will show you, and it is available, but maybe later on the certificate it is revoked and it will take a few days later to re-sign again. So you can wait for 2 days and it will be you. If you go to check on this website again, it will be, you will find a new certificate. So after that we will press, after the installation is done, we will press it. It will ask us to trust the developer because this is untrusted enterprise developer. We will go to the setting and then go to general. After that we will go all the way down to device management. After that we will trust the developer. Go back to the uncover application and it will open with you. Now it is 5.3.1 latest version. If we go to setting, need to go to mark on this loot tweaks and disable auto update. Share OS crash, we can switch it off. This auto update to avoid any auto update, to avoid losing your jailbreak. Then we will press jailbreak and wait until our device will be jailbroken. It will reach to 30. Then the advertise for the sponsor, uncover sponsor. We will close the advertisement, and then now after you press OK, it will be restart your device, and when you switch it on again, it will be jailbroken. Hopefully this video help you. If you need any assist, ask me in the comment. When I see, I will reply to you. And please support me, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you.